Some amplifiers stream music. But in 2025, a select few redefine what it means to connect with sound. From compact marvels packed with smart features, to multi-room beasts delivering power across every corner of your home, these amps aren't just about watts, they're about an experience. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay, HDMI ARC, and app control, each one blends cutting-edge technology with pure sonic brilliance. We'll count down 5 of the most advanced stereo amplifiers with streaming support, from affordable $379 innovations to luxury masterpieces soaring past $3,700. This is the top 5 stereo amplifiers with streaming support in 2025, and once you hear them, music will never feel the same again. At number 5, we begin with a true multi-room powerhouse, the HOLOWHAS Ultra, priced at $1,739. This amplifier delivers a staggering 960 watts of total power, broken down into 16 channels of 60 watts each. What does that mean for you? It means you can enjoy 8 independent audio streams across 8 different zones of your home, all running flawlessly at the same time. Connectivity is where the HOLOWHAS Ultra shines. With RCA, HDMI ARC, and SPDIF inputs, it's built to integrate seamlessly into any modern entertainment setup. Add in Bluetooth streaming, USB disc playback, and full support for AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and DLNA, and you've got every streaming option at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. With advanced EQ controls, you can fine-tune every detail of your sound to match your room acoustics. The included HoloHome app makes multi-room management intuitive, while BLE configuration ensures a simple, modern setup experience. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying high-fidelity music in multiple rooms, the HOLOWHAS Ultra doesn't just deliver sound, it delivers total control, flexibility, and uncompromising performance. The HOLOWHAS Ultra, a $1,739 investment in whole-home audio that turns your space into a seamless concert hall. At number 4, we step into the world of refined craftsmanship and legendary sound heritage with the Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier, priced at $1,000. For decades, Marantz has been synonymous with audiophile-grade performance, and the M1 continues that tradition in a sleek, modern package. This isn't just another streaming amplifier. It's a gateway into high-fidelity sound with the kind of warmth, clarity, and depth that makes music feel alive. At its core, the Model M1 is powered by the HEOS streaming platform, giving you instant access to Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, Pandora, and more. Whether you're using Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, or Bluetooth, streaming is effortless and reliable. And with full multi-room support, you can expand your music across the house while keeping everything in perfect sync. Connectivity is simple yet versatile. With digital and analog inputs, plus subwoofer support, it's ready to integrate into virtually any setup. Control is equally intuitive. Manage playback with the HEOS app, or use voice assistants like Alexa and Google for a truly hand-free experience. The result? A compact but powerful amplifier that brings premium sound into everyday listening. The Marantz Model M1, $1,000 of timeless design, modern streaming power, and the unmistakable magic of Marantz. At number 3, we have the WiiM Amp Ultra, priced at just $529. A compact streaming amplifier that punches far above its weight. Don't let its sleek space gray design fool you. Inside, the WiiM Amp Ultra packs serious technology. Powered by the premium ESS ES9039Q2M DAC and dual TI TPA 3255 amplifiers, it delivers a clean, dynamic 100 watts per channel, perfect for driving bookshelf or floor-standing speakers with authority. What makes it truly stand out is the room-fit EQ system, built right in. This intelligent calibration automatically adjusts to your room's acoustics, ensuring every note is balanced, precise, and immersive. Add in the touchscreen display and voice remote too, and you've got full control at your fingertips, or with just your voice. Connectivity is equally impressive. HDMI ARC, optical, and RCA inputs make it easy to integrate with TVs, turntables, and more. Pair that with Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Bluetooth streaming, and the Amp Ultra covers all your modern music needs. It's compact, powerful, and incredibly versatile. The WiiM Amp Ultra, $529 of smart innovation, premium audio technology, and effortless streaming, all in one sleek package. At number 2, we have the WiiM Amp Pro, a true value champion in the world of streaming amplifiers. Priced at just $379. This amplifier is designed for those who want multi-room flexibility without breaking the bank. With full support for Google Cast, Alexa, and AirPlay 2, it seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you voice-controlled music streaming across multiple rooms with ease. The WiiM Amp Pro connects to virtually everything. With HDMI input, it's ready to pair with your TV, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth streaming puts Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and countless other platforms at your fingertips. Whether you're into high-resolution music or casual playlists, this amp handles it all with smooth, reliable performance. Its compact dark gray design hides surprising power under the hood, delivering clean, balanced amplification that's perfect for small to medium-sized spaces. Add in multi-room synchronization, and you can link speakers throughout your home, keeping your music in perfect harmony wherever you go. It's versatile, easy to use, and built for today's streaming lifestyle. The WiiM Amp Pro, $379 of smart, affordable innovation that makes premium streaming accessible to everyone. At number 1, we arrive at a true audiophile masterpiece, the Naim Uniti Atom, priced at $3,749. This is not just an amplifier. It's an all-in-one streaming system that combines breathtaking design, uncompromising engineering, and pure musical emotion in one compact form. Crafted in England with meticulous attention to detail, the Uniti Atom is a symbol of luxury audio at its finest. With its HDMI ARC connectivity, it seamlessly integrates with modern TVs, transforming your living room into a cinematic soundstage. Inside, Naim's legendary amplifier technology delivers stunning clarity, punch, and dynamics that reveal every detail of your favorite music. Whether it's orchestral highs, deep bass, or the warmth of a live recording, the Uniti Atom makes it feel alive and personal. Streaming is effortless, with support for Spotify, Tidal, Qobuz, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, Roon, and more. The intuitive Naim app puts complete control at your fingertips, while the gorgeous front panel display and premium volume dial make every interaction a joy. Compact yet powerful, elegant yet advanced, the Uniti Atom redefines what an integrated streaming amplifier can be. The Naim Uniti Atom, $3,749 of uncompromising design, world-class sound, and the ultimate all-in-one audiophile experience. At the end of the day, a great amplifier isn't just about watts or features. It's about how it makes you feel when the music begins to play. From the budget-friendly versatility of the WiiM Amp Pro to the luxury refinement of the Naim Uniti Atom, every model on this list represents a different way to experience music at its best. Because in 2025, streaming is no longer just convenient, it's an art form. So which amplifier would you choose to power your sound journey? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more premium audio gear reviews. Until next time, keep listening and keep the music alive.